Listen up. If you're between the ages of 35 and 50, you really need to hear this. Chances are your doctor has gotten perimenopause all wrong. Wow, that's a bold statement. But here's why. Traditionally, in my training, I've been an OBGYN for 25 plus years. The definition of perimenopause is the time immediately before and after menopause. Your hormones are shifting before menopause, and then the initial change into menopause where you quit having periods and there's no way you can get pregnant anymore. That's called the perimenopause period. It's supposed to be 3 to 4 years. 3 years before menopause, 1 year after. That's what the College of OBGYNs used to say. Now, if you listen, you will hear people, experts, physicians out there saying that perimenopause now lasts 10 to 15 years. That's not possible. It may feel like perimenopause because your hormones are crazy, but it's not perimenopause because you're not near menopause. If you're experiencing symptoms of mood swings, irregular periods, hot flashes, can't sleep, brain fog, and you're only in your mid 30s to late 40s or early 40s, you need help. And it's not just perimenopause. That is a cop-out. There are things that can be done. What is the problem? The problem, number one, is we have hormone dysregulation because of either toxins that act like estrogen in our body, or because maybe we have the right amount of estrogen, but our gut is so messed up from inflammation, poor nutrition, high stress that causes leaky gut that we can't get rid of estrogen. And if you can't get rid of it, it piles up. And if it piles up, then you have the symptoms of estrogen dominance, mood swings, bloating, breast tenderness, hyper emotional. Those are not to be accepted as normal. And it's not just perimenopause. Traditional doctors don't have much to offer you. They will tell you, oh, it's just perimenopause and that's normal for your age. Oh, well, have you tried a sleeping pill? Maybe we can give you an anti-anxiety medication. Your brain's not messed up because of hormones. Your brain's messed up because of toxins and high stress, and it's not a deficiency of psychiatric medicines. We need to calm down the inflammation. Or the other thing they may offer you is birth control pills, but those just take control of your cycles completely out of your ovaries. They will regulate your hormones because your ovaries are shut down, and now all you have is the hormones that are in the pill. But you know what? They're not natural. They lead to inflammation. They lead to breast cancer risk. So birth control pills, while simple, is not the fix for perimenopause. What is the fix? We need to take control of our health. I'm the Hormone Locksmith. We need to figure out what's rusting your locks. If you have multiple hormone imbalances, it's not just perimenopause, it's rusty locks. The things that rust our locks: stress, poor nutrition, toxins, infections. Those are big, and we can deal with them one at a time or several at a time. It doesn't matter. We just need to get it done. So if you've been struggling and your doctor says, oh, it's just perimenopause, get another doctor, get another opinion. There's so much that can be done. And if you're interested in figuring out which hormone systems are a problem for you, take my hormone quiz. It's a pretty thorough quiz. It takes about 5-6 minutes to complete, and it asks you over 60 questions. After that, you're going to get a really good idea of which hormone systems are not balanced in your case. We're here to help you if you need it. Please reach out. I'm Dr. Yvonne Karney. I'm the Hormone Locksmith. Take my hormone quiz.